shut up! There's only one word for that kind of thing in my book.
With the R-A-P-T-I-L-E-S, yes, we the best, yes, we the fresh. We come from the valley, it's dark in the alley, but guess what? We ain't no scally. With the R-A-P-T-I-L-E-S, yes, we the best, yes, we the fresh. We come from the valley, it's dark in the alley, but guess what? We ain't no scally.
We are the Raptiles, two Kyles, Lil K, Cobra, and Spry still sober.
This is how it goes these days, all the rappers, quality nicknames like Big Bull and Bear. Standing over there,
listening to Eminem tracks, getting ready to rap with us down the backs of the flats.
Rapping since December, January, February, up to November. Just remember, we the Raptiles rapping till forever.
Stop, look, listen, can't you see? We are the boys from RCT. Stop, look, listen, can't you see? We are the boys from RCT.
We want a house, a job, and a brand new car.
We saving up our pennies in a money jar.
searching for a golden ticket in a chocolate bar. Lactose intolerant, so didn't get far.
You really think you know us, but we think, nah. Gazing out the valley, yeah, we shooting for the stars.
So acting real, pretending to shine like a laser beam. Yeah, we come here as a team, fresher than air or Mr. Sheen. Spitting bars roll, then we walk away clean. We're on the outside, looking in, trying to reveal your inner sin.
Put all your problems in a bin. Chin up, positive with a grin.
Stop, look, listen, can't you see? We are the boys from the RCT. We are who we are and we are who we be.
Talking about the future, come step to me.
Stop, look, listen, can't you see? We are the boys from RCT. Stop, look, listen, can't you see? We are the boys from RCT. With the RAPTILES, yes, we the best, yes, we the fresh. We come from the valley, it's dark in the alley, but guess what? We ain't no scally. With the RAPTILES, yes, we the best, yes, we the fresh. We come from the valley, it's dark in the alley, but guess what? We ain't no scally.